and welcome to another edition of Darlington Driving Lessons, tips to help you pass the driving test. Today we look at the A66 Sadberge to Great Burden. Coming onto the dual carriageway, national speed limit applies, so we're going to get onto a 70 miles an hour speed limit. Remember, there's a giveaway line at the end of this slip road, so we're looking across to the right. We have a car quite close behind us. Nothing on the dual carriageway. Looking in the door mirror, accelerating down the slip road and moving on to the carriageway. We can now see in the mirror behind us that we've got a car coming up on our right hand side. We're going to follow the signs for the north, so we need to be in the right hand lane. Watching this car go past. Checking the mirror, door mirror, look over the shoulder, indicating to get across. We're following the signs for the north now, so we're in the correct lane. We're keeping an eye on what's on the left hand side of us in the mirror. As we come to the roundabout, we're taking the second exit towards the north, so we're staying in the right hand lane. All the danger is going to be on the left hand side now. So we're checking the mirror, having a look in the left mirror, making sure we know what's there, if anything. As we come up onto the roundabout's clear. As we come on the roundabout, we're going to check the left mirror, indicating to say we're going to leave. There's a car on the left hand side of us, so we can't move over straight away. We're looking in the mirror, we can see him now. We're pulling away from him, check the mirror. We don't need to signal, we can move back into the left hand lane. Have another look in the mirror, see if there's anything coming down the right hand side of us now. Car in front, coming up to the sign telling us there's a junction ahead. Watching to see if there's any traffic in the junction that's going to cause us a problem. Traffic behind, but it's quite a distance away. End of dual carriageway, so it means that we're coming into the end of that speed limit, so 60 miles an hour. Down to 30 now as we come into the village. Nothing behind that's going to cause us a problem. Down into 30 miles an hour. As we come into the village, we're looking for traffic coming onto the road, and we're looking for pedestrians crossing. We're also looking for this car that's turning across. Is he going to turn in front of us? No, that's fine. So, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and it will let you know when we get new videos. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and we'll see you next time.